Are you looking for to get recap of your Instagram instance? Then you're on the right video. I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily get the recap of Instagram instant. First thing first, you have to make sure that the application is up to date. Once updated, head over to Instagram. Make sure you are logged in into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to your inbox or the chat conversation section at the bottom of the screen. Right over here, you'll see the instance. Click on it. Now tap on this icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then once again click on this icon, select all the instant, and then tap on Create Recap. Now wait for a while, and there you go, your instance recap has been created by Instagram. If you want to add it to your story, then click on your story at the bottom left corner, and then you'll be good to go. So this is simply how you can create instant recap on Instagram. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.